To our beloved CFO Coordinator, Brother Angelo Eranio Manalo, we the ministers and ministerial workers from the District of Malaysia would like to greet you po a Happy Birthday po! We love you po!
We from the local congregation of Kuala Lumpur, Ecclesiastical District of Malaysia, would like to greet our CFO Coordinator, Brother Angelo Eranio Manalo a
Happy Birthday! We love you po!
Mula po sa mga kapatid at mga may tungkulin dito po sa lokal ng Subang Jaya, Distrito Eklesiastiko ng Malaysia, binabati po natin ang mahal nating kapatid, ang kapatid ng Angelo Eranio V. Manalo. Happy birthday po!
Mahal na mahal po namin kayo!
We from the local congregation of Johor Bahru, Ecclesiastical District of Malaysia, would like to greet our beloved brother, Brother Angelo Eranio Manalo a Happy birthday po! We love you so much po!
From the local congregation of Malacca, we would like to greet Brother Angelo Eranio V. Manalo a
Happy birthday po! We love you po!
From the local congregation of Jakarta, we would like to greet Brother Angelo Eranio V. Manalo a happy birthday po!
We love you po!
Kami po ng mga may tungkulin at mga kapatid sa lokal ng Bukit Indah, Distrito Eklesiastiko ng Malaysia, ay bumabati sa kapatid na Angelo Eranio Manalo ng maligayang kaarawan po, mahal na mahal po namin kayo.
Brother Angelo Eranio V. Manalo, from the overseers and group overseers of the local congregation of Bangsar, Ecclesiastical District of Malaysia, we would like to greet you a
Happy birthday po! We love you po!
From the CWS members, local congregation of Subang Jaya, Ecclesiastical District of Malaysia, we would like to wish our beloved brother Angelo Eranio Manalo a
Happy